going to show you how to use the eyeshadows and what eyeshadows I like to use for this look. So we're going to go ahead and concentrate with the rosy colors, neutral colors, and the first color that I'm going to use that's going to go underneath the brow bone is going to be a light brown as a transition color, and just apply it below the brow bone and just pat it in. I like to elongate to add a little bit of extra drama. And then we're going to use a brown color, and that's going to be another transition color. I like to mix those colors in just so the transition would look smooth and precise. And then we're going to go ahead and use a rose gold color, and we're going to go ahead and add that on the brow bone right there, but add it kind of as a cut crease, and that's going to be like another almost a transition color, but I just like to add that gold color right there on the brow bone as a little bit of a pop. And next what we're going to go ahead and use is the concealer, and you apply it on top of the eyelid, and that concealer is going to go ahead and make the eyeshadow that we're going to use next, which is the rose gold that we want to look clean and precise. And just blend that in, make sure that there aren't any creases. And next we're going to go ahead and move on to the rose gold color, and you can go ahead if you want. I personally like to add it on the outer corner, on the outer eye as well, because I want to elongate the eye too, to have that sort of illusion too. And next, once that's done, we're going to go ahead and move on to the NYX liquid eyeliner. I like to use the matte eyeliner. That brush that I have on the eyeliner is very precise. It's impossible to mess up with that eyeliner, but you have to be very careful though. That's one thing for sure. Make sure you don't blink, because otherwise it will mess up the eye. Whenever I apply the eyeliner for cat eye, I like to start off from the bottom corner of the eye going up, because I want both of the lines to match, and then I go on the other eye and go from the bottom up, and then from there I can actually pinpoint where my cat eye will be. The only reason why it looks like it's dragging out right now, it's because I am almost out of the eyeliner, so I do apologize if the application doesn't look as smooth and it's not going as fast as it should be, but it will still show the result that we want. And once that cat eye is already drawn, you go ahead and fill it in with the black eyeliner. This eyeliner actually lasts throughout my workouts, so I definitely suggest getting that eyeliner. And then bam, there we go, we have our cat eye. Alright, next we're going to go ahead and use the same rose gold color and apply it underneath below the waterline. Something I like to do after I apply the eyeliner, so that way I can go ahead and pinpoint from where the eyeshadow that I could apply on the bottom. And next we're going to go ahead and use a white eyeliner from NYX, and we're going to go ahead and put it on the waterline just to add that little bit of a pop to the eyes, make the eyes look bigger, make that illusion, almost cartoon-like in a sense. But I mean, if you want to go cartoon-like, I guess you could use circle lenses, but in my case I'm using normal contact lenses because I have really bad vision. Next we're going to go ahead and move on to the mascara. I'm using the Falsies mascara from Maybelline, I believe. If I'm wrong, please correct me. And next I'm going to use the Cocoa lashes, and those Cocoa lashes that I'm using is on the type Cocoa. next, we're gonna go ahead and use the lipstick from NYX. It's in the shade Girl Bye. It's a nice maroon burgundy color, and I always gravitate to those colors, but it'll actually match with the look. Alright, and now our look is done. And what I like to do though, instead of coloring in my eyebrows, because my eyebrows personally I feel like they don't need to be filled in, I just use a